Have you ever noticed when you get ready to do your performance appraisals or your performance reviews or anything like that, and it's in like 6 months or 8 months increments? Sometimes it's even a year, and then you're sitting there, you're like, man, I don't even remember these goals or the things that I said that I was going to do performance wise, and it's not in real time. And what this leader would do is every 30 days we would take the things that we said we were going to do or the things that were asked of us in our performance appraisals, and we would talk about them during our one-on-ones. And that way, by the time we got to the 12-month mark, it was easier for us to have a better conversation instead of waiting to the end of the year or every 6 months or 8 months or whatever that frequency is. By talking about it on a monthly basis, that gave us 12 opportunities in order to have a better discussion. And sometimes with your stakeholders, giving them real time feedback instead of waiting to the end of the project. Like we do that sometimes with lessons learned when we should be doing that throughout the whole project of really having that conversation with our stakeholders.